Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2022 Yamaha AR195. This is the white side with the black bottom and blue accents, as you can see here. This is the supercharged 1.8 liter Yamaha. New color scheme for 2022. Great seating in the bow. Of course, the AR series does have the watersports tower, bimini top. Great seating in the back if you're just out lounging or beached. Tons of interior space here. Got a back bench seat, walk through, removable cushion. Captain's chair will adjust up and down. Side lounge, in-floor storage, speakers throughout. Great boat. Come see us at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, 864-236-9005.